Hey guys, so I'm just recording somebody trying to get to 1 million. So I thought I was recording, it wasn't recording the whole time, so I'm having to restart, but I used 2 keys already, 3 actually, and I've used 4 hoverboards. I don't even think I actually used 4 hoverboards, but right now I'm just trying to get to 1 million. Hopefully I can do that. So it's got super speed hoverboard. Also got high bounce, so it doesn't really matter about any bouncy shoes, really. Actually, not a big fan of bouncy shoes, but they're helpful. A lot of people say you shouldn't get them because they can mess you up, but I don't really see why they mess you up. Just like standing on one foot, just gliding. She does it again. I don't know if that's like a glitch or what, but it's pretty cool actually. It's floating.
I did choose castle. It was clouds.
Wasn't even paying attention. Just paying attention to his feet. His royal feet. Yeah, I'm really starting to suck really bad. So I'm just gonna get one of these. And if you guys don't have tons of keys, one thing that can substitute a key, if you feel like you're about to die, is get on hoverboard, hit something, you don't actually die. So like that. Like that. Like that. But keep on going. It's gonna float.
I did this live and it cost 6 energy. I don't even know what it's 2. I thought it was a 7, but now I'm at 9. I got it teleported.
Okay. Actually about to get to 1 million, so I'm gonna try getting 1 million on hoverboard. I don't think I can get 100,000 on before my hoverboard runs out. Floating. Yeah, I've used like 8 hoverboards. No, I used 8 keys. Actually starting to glitch out.
Well, remember when Russell Westbrook dunked on Steph Curry?
This time, with most people, if you're running, you can. If you're in the air, you can swipe down and then roll into somersault. Because you can't do that with Prince K.
I was just dribbling the ball and my stamina just went down.
Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Gotta get to 1 million. I hate these bouncy shoes. They're actually really messing me up. So I'm just gonna. Okay, I got 1 million. I'm about to end this video. Okay, once this hoverboard runs out.